How to change username on Threads. In order to do that, what you can do is you can click on this edit profile. And as you can see, I have in here my name. So I have my name as well as my username, which is Daily Tutorials YT. Now, if I want to change that, I just need to click on that. And as you can see, my name and username are synced with Instagram and can only be changed there. So let's head over first to our Instagram right here. Head over to our account option and click on this edit profile. Now we have in here a username. You can just click on that. And then you can add anything that you think will be good for you. So if it actually shows you something like this, or if it doesn't show any red icon, that means it's available. So for example, we have in here something like this, and it will determine if is the username is valid or not. So once you determine a username that you want to use, you can head over and then just click on this check mark right here in order to add it. So that's how you change username on Threads. Hope you help.